Is this TikTok's sneaky plan to steal Amazon customers? TikTok doesn't just say they want your attention anymore. They want your entire bank account. And they're coming with some sneaky ways to do it. TikTok gift cards have now launched. Colin, what is your impression when you see this story? What does it mean to you?
Yeah, I think the one of the easiest ways to gift people is an Amazon gift card just because it's so applicable. And the older generation has kind of been accustomed to like a default is, all right, we can give an Amazon gift card and, little Johnny can get whatever he wants on Amazon. But now the older generations keeps hearing from their kids and or grandkids about this thing called TikTok that they're on all the time. And so now you're offering the generation that basically has all of the money an ability to buy a gift card for their grandchild or child to that platform. It's a great lever to pull. I didn't think about this at all. And this is absolutely genius. This is going to be a great allocation of effort and capital because you're pulling from some of the wealthiest of Americans and then pushing it down into the users of TikTok, which genuinely skews younger.
What I think is so smart about this, like you said, what I think is so smart about this is the constant one-liner I will hear when it comes to TikTok Shop, pushing your endeavors there as a brand. Amazon halo effect. That's always the line. Amazon halo effect. Hopefully you break even on TikTok Shop itself. Hopefully you're not losing money. Hopefully you're making at least some money, but the total effect will be halo, and that will be mainly seen on Amazon, which also I think is largely known as a let me get it for as cheap as possible, the best price as possible. That's similar to TikTok Shop in a way because it's so discount heavy, lower revenue levels in general because it skews young. I think this is super smart, like you said, because it is incentivizing now. If you haven't already joined the platform, you should. Here's this gift card. You have to in order to spend it. But also, it gives grandparents and parents a way to easily give the younger people in their life something that they actually want. I want to spend something on this app. And as far as I'm aware, that money it lives inside of TikTok Shop, meaning in some sense, TikTok has become a kind of bank. The money stays inside the app. I'm thinking of Starbucks in some sense and how they've used their gift cards to live inside the app, and that money stays there while you use it or before you use it. I don't know if TikTok is going to be shut down in the United States. I don't think it will be. Oren John would tell us there's no way that's going to happen. I trust him on these kind of things. This, though, in general, very bullish on. And I think we're going to see a lot more gift cards given out next Christmas as a result of this. Not just Amazon, but now TikTok Shop.